This is Ethan from Ethan Tube HD.
Hi, this is Ethan from...
No, you mean Morgan.
Hi, this is Morgan from Ethan
Morgan Tube HD? I mean Ethan. Say it.
Hi, I'm Morgan from Ethan Base.
She meant Ethan Tube HD. Yeah. And this time we're gonna finish our dart gun video because my mom and my dad's phone ran out of storage. So Dad didn't get time to record some more. So hi. And this was kind of inappropriate that we saw. So let's finish it up. Gordon, get your gun. Where is it? So yeah, we're gonna... Well, we can't shoot my dad because he's working right now. We'll shoot some targets. And if you want, we can even watch top stacking videos.
Okay.
But it would be kind of weird using my dad's phone. Oh, okay. Here's my gun. Yeah, you already know what my gun looks like. You have already seen it. That's my sister's gun. So, yeah. I'm gonna build a cup stack and, thing. Don't you dare shoot me with your gun. You guys see my belly. Get in there, Morgan. Keep them company.
Hi, guys.
Okay, I'm finished with my target, and Morgan points the iPad at me. No, you're pointing it at yourself. No, the other way. Turn it the other way. Okay, get way back.